Good morning, children. How are you all? Today, I, your teacher Devya Verma, has come up again with some English lessons for you. So, let's begin. Today, we'll be studying with vowel sounds. Okay, so let's start. Sound of A. Beta, the alphabet is A, but its sound is A. A says A, like apple, ant, arrow. So it's A, but the sound is A. Okay? Please remember it. Sound of E. E says A. E for egg. E for elephant. E for elbow. Sound of I. I says ice cream. I for igloo. I for eyes. Okay? Now let's jump to the next one. Sound of O. O says O. O for owl. O for ocean. O for oasis. U. U for umbrella. Children, here U is saying umbrella. U for uncle, uncle. But the third is unicycle. Here U is U only. So U is having two sounds. Sometimes it is pronounced as but sometimes it is pronounced as U only. So we have to be careful about this. Now practice time. Let's practice. This is a puzzle for you all. M A N. Yes, it is M-A-N, man. Second one, C-A-T, cat. M-A-T, mat. F-A-N, fan. V-A-N, van. Now the second series, B-E-D, bed. L-E-G, leg. N-E-T, net. P-E-T, pet. K-E-Y, key. Third series, P-I-N, pin. T-I-N, tin. L-I-P, lip. S-I-X, 6. P-I-G, pig. Now the second last, L-O-G, log. M-O-P, mop. D-O-G, dog. F-O-G, fog. And B-O-W, bow. Now the last series, S-U-N, sun. G-U-N, gun. T-U-B, tub. F-U-N, fun. And F-R-U-I-T, fruit. So here I have written all the answers, so you can practice it with your parents also. Okay? Thank you, children. Bye bye. Take care.